Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial, and in this video we will see how to set font weight as well as font style for the given font. So we can apply this style to any textual element. So we can apply this to any textual element. The font creator usually create the font with a regular, bold and italics type. So the font may be single, say for example, let's take Arial font. So the creator will create how the font should render for a regular type or bold type or italic type. They may even put slight variation on each character. Say for example, if T in regular looks like this, and in italic it will be slightly tilted, right? It will be tilted like this. So that's the variation. Bold means the if you consider all this as a line, the thickness will get increased. So if this is a pen, then pen thickness will be increased and T will be bold. So that's the variation. So here it is simply the style. This will be the variation, and in italic even they may keep something like this, right, for same T. So it's up to the font creators. CSS supports creating bolder version of font using the font weight property. So that's one property. Accepted value for these font weights are lighter, normal, bold, bolder, and we can even specify values in terms of number like 100, 200, 700, up to 900 you can specify. Here if you see font weight, we specified lighter font. That means it will not be bold, and it will look lighter. Then we have the bolder font for same font to appear thicker, or we can specify that in terms of the unit. So this 100 means it will be very light, and 900 means it is thick, or it will be bold. So the lightness to bold will go like this based on the values here. Alright, while font weight applied bold to the text, using font style property, one can specify normal or italic font style. And there is one more variation, oblique. So you can refer the font creator document, or you can use Notepad to check what are all the font variation available. So to apply normal font, you can use font style as normal, or if you want to make it as italic, you can go for font style italic. So there is a italic or EM tag as well. HTML provides that. So that one is to mark a specific portion. But using the CSS style, you can apply the font style to entire tag. So if there is a paragraph, the entire paragraph will look in the specified style. Or if you apply at body level, the entire document will have the specified font style. So here are the example font style. Here we specify font style as normal. Here we specify font style as italic. Now let's go to the demo. Okay, here is our previous document. Now we will create a new document for this example. So the previously created one is font family. Now we will name it as font style. Font style.html. So here is the document, and if you see, we simply have 4 paragraphs, and each one contains a single line. And since we created a new document, we'll copy the document name. Already refresher is running, right? So here in the refresher, so content is not yet saved, right? We will put the Control S. So there are 4 paragraphs and that get displayed in the document. Now we will go with the styles. So here we specified class as light, right? Now we will create a CSS rule for this specific class p.light. That means paragraph containing the class light will go for this style. First we specified the font family. You know about font family by now. Font weight, if you see, we specify lighter font and style is normal. So there are other variations here. For now, let's go with the lighter font. Right, that's the lighter font, and font style is normal. Now let me save it. And if you see, the first paragraph got changed. So this is in lighter weight. Why? Because we specified font weight as lighter, and you can see how the normal fonts are. And this one is a paragraph with a lighter font style. So now let's go with the second paragraph, and here we specified p.norm, and this time we specify font weight as normal and font style also normal, and this is the paragraph we are going to apply this style p.norm, and here also you can see p.class equal to norm. So that's the selector. Here is the selector, and the selector will be applied to this second paragraph, and you can see how it is going to change this content. Since it's a normal, most probably we may not see any change. Let's experiment it. Okay, there is a slight variation. That's because of the font family. It applied CGY in normal style looks like this. So this is normal font weight, and this one, if you see, it's a lighter one. Now we will increase the font weight, and we will use the third paragraph, class equal to BLD, right? Now we will create one more with a p.bld, and if you see, the change is font weight. We specified it as a bolder, and the font style, this time we are specifying it as italic. Once I save the content, this the third paragraph will be applied with bolder and italic style. Let's hit Ctrl S, and you can see the change. So this is set with bolder weight. So the font is bolder, that's why it is appearing in bolder, and we specify style as italic. So you can see the content is slightly tilted here. So as already told, we can specify the weight in terms of number as well. And if you see, we specified weight as 700, right? You can see 100 to 900 is there. So let's specify 700, still italic, and we will hit Control S, and you can see this is the this is set with the font weight 700. Let's go with the full font weight 900. Click Save, and you can see the variation. So it's increasing, right? And if you want to set very lighter, let's go with 200. And you can see that's the lighter font that matches with the first one, right? That's all here in this example. Just now you saw the example. Thank you for watching. Bye.